Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We see that the square root of x to the power of 3 and this one that is about 3 over 2. So because the square root that is about 1 over 2, number 3 and 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. So the highest one is about 3 over 2 and the highest one that is about number 1 in here. So in this situation, I will divide by x on numerator and denominator. So 10x divided by x, we have number 10. This one we keep the same. About this one, we can go inside the square root and that should be like this. Because the square root of s square, we have s in here. So this one divide by this one and this one divide by this one. So we have s plus 20 over s. So we see that this one, when s approach to positive infinity, number 2 over positive infinity, you got 0. Similar for this one. However, we still have s and s is on numerator. So this one will go to positive infinity. Positive infinity divided by number 10. So we still have about positive infinity. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.